Travel expert Brian Kelly, a.k.a. the Points Guy, joins us to talk about the reopening of America. Brian, I wonder, for those who have not traveled in a while, what would you tell them? What should they expect?
Expect crowded airports, packed planes, and even in Vegas this weekend, there was a 26-mile-long gridlock traffic. So, travel's back, but it's going to be more expensive and more congested than even pre-pandemic.
Right. So higher prices, more congested. And I would imagine you would argue maybe some of the services that you thought you were used to have changed.
Absolutely. During the pandemic, a lot of hotels nixed housekeeping for safety. And now they simply can't get enough labor to do that. So even though, the vaccines are out and workers are allowed to work, they can't get enough people. So before you book a fancy hotel, especially, make sure you know what, amenities they're actually offering. And here's a tip. If a hotel charges you a resort fee, ask them to take it off, especially if they're not giving you the services that you're paying for.
Yeah. I wonder what you make of the businesses that have been exposed to travel and have had to basically have no revenue for the past year. It's really a period now, isn't it, where they're really trying and are able to, in some degree, to make up for lost time.
Absolutely. In many markets, South Florida, Hawaii, the hotels and travel industry are booming. But the airlines are still hurting because business travel is not back. That international lucrative travel to Asia and Europe, Europe's just starting to open up next week. France and, Italy just opened up as well, and Spain next week. So there's still a lot that needs to happen for a full recovery. But this past weekend, we saw 75% of TSA screened passengers versus 2019, which is so incredible.
I've got to ask you, speaking about flying, I mean, obviously flying has never been a picnic, but we have had a couple of stories lately of truly unruly passengers. American and Southwest suspending the return of alcohol service. What do you think is going on here? And do you think it impacts travel policy as a whole?
Absolutely. I think the biggest thing that's happening is people are used to not wearing their masks now. Even the CDC says, okay, you can be in a restaurant, but our federal mask mandate on planes still exists. But people are going on planes saying, hey, well, if I don't have to wear it in a restaurant, who are you to tell me in an airport or on a plane? And then unfortunately, flight attendants who also have to worry about safety, in general on the airplane now also have to play referee. And if Southwest Airlines, flight attendant had 2 teeth knocked out. So I think people are rusty from traveling. They're anxious. Airports are crowded. It's more expensive. And there's this whole notion of people who just don't want to wear masks.
Yeah. Brian, appreciate that very much. Quite a story. Brian Kelly.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.